Hello, everybody. Welcome to Wednesday. The S&P 500 was up 0.7% today. We hit another all-time record high close for the S&P 500. It's the 44th one we hit this year alone. And it's kind of amazing because just on Monday we were down, almost 1%, and all of a sudden now, 2 days later, we're hitting an all-time high. Sometimes you need those drops to get dip buying to come in, and then the market can move to the next highest level. And that's basically what we've seen so far this week. Tomorrow we get the CPI report. So this is the second time we've had a run up just before the CPI report, which I think is interesting. The expectation is that inflation was quite low in September, 0.1% for the month of growth, which of course, if you annualize that out as 1.2%, that's very low, and actually could be a bit of a problem. But it's volatile on a monthly basis. But we'll see what the real number comes out to and how the market reacts to that as far as that goes. But the Fed minutes came out today for the last meeting when they did the half a point rate cut, and there was a lot of debate apparently about how much the cut should be. Ended up being a half ultimately in the end, but there were some people arguing for the quarter point decrease. So, still in line with being able to possibly do another, quarter point in November. Does depend somewhat on what the date is like between now and then, as far as that goes. But, we are in this territory now where it's pre-election. This isn't the best time of the year. September is, behind us now. It's usually the worst month of the year on average. And we made money in September. That's pretty darn good prior to an election. We're so far making money here in October, obviously being at an all-time high. And so, the market's doing well. There's a lot of cash flow coming in. Earnings season's coming at us here. On Friday, it starts off with the banks and such too. So it's a really good time to be an investor as far as that goes. This thing seems to have some legs, seems to still have some money coming in, and things are moving along. There's a lot of catalysts, as I mentioned before, and I mentioned on Friday in the show, for why this market could move. And those catalysts, are, I think, quite powerful and haven't changed as far as that goes. So look forward to being able to see what's going to happen tomorrow. We'll talk to you then. Thank you.